Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm out here at the park. My son playing around with the Traxxas X-Max. And he's out here having fun with it. It's on 8S. Be careful, somebody's coming with a dog, EGs. Be careful, slow down. Slow down. Don't go too fast. Slow down. You don't want to hurt nobody's dog or nothing. Go slow. Go slow. Bring it back over here. Don't drive it near them. Hey, how you feeling now? Yeah, he probably would be running after it if he was loose.
Abel,
Huh?
we're gonna play jumping jacks.
Okay, go over there and play jumping jacks. Go.
Abby, come on.
Go do some jumping jacks, Zamzam. Zamzam.
Look, Abel, look, a dog.
Yeah. She's looking at the X-Men. Zamzam, don't go over there.
Did the dog sit? Look, Abel.
Let me see.
The airplane.
Go over there, look. Come here. Go that way. Go over there with mommy and So I bought this little F22 out here. Wanted to give it a go out here. See if I can get this thing in the air flying. The dog wants to play with the X-Max. Let's see if we can get this thing in the air flying. Hopefully I got enough space out here. Make sure you don't hit her with it, Idris. Be careful, don't drive it too fast. Once she catches up to it, she's not going to know what to do with it. Be careful, Dreesy. Don't run it into anything. Is that Adam? Idris, slow it down. Don't wreck it. Adam. I knew she wasn't going to know what to do once she catches up to it. She's just looking like, what the heck is that? I'm scared to fly the plane right now, actually. I don't know how she's going to react to it. Be careful, don't do too many backflips and stuff right now. Cause she's running after it, and don't hit her with it. Try not to.
I know.
Be careful. She's like, I got you now, but she don't know what to do. Slow down, Idris. That's too fast. See, now you flipped it over. Let me go flip it over. Idris, slow it down. You see it, girl?
You did good.
I'm flipping.
You did good.
Up. The tire, the glue came loose again.
Always wanted to chase a car.
Well, so this is out of commission, Idris.
No.
Yep, it's out of commission. I gotta take it home and glue it, okay? He done ran the glue off the tire. No, don't drive it fast. You're gonna tear it up. Huh?
Wants to chase.
Yeah. You can't drive it fast anymore, Idris. It's gonna tear the tire up. So just roll it like that. Don't drive it fast.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to go over here out of the way and get this F22 up in the air before it gets too dark. So hopefully I can get this thing bound up. Seems like it's bound up. Let's try to fly it. Gonna hand toss this guy. Hopefully I can control it good enough not to fly it into these trees. This is probably a bad idea. I probably should have taken it to the bigger area, but let's go. Let me try tossing it up. I just gave it a little light toss. Let's see. Here we go. Oh. I got this guy in here. Check it out, y'all. No, not the tree. And it's in the tree. And I guess it was a bad idea to bring this guy out to this spot here. Gonna have a time getting it out of the tree there. All right, y'all, so I'm out here at the bigger field with this plane here. This little F22. I managed to get it out of the tree. I'm going to try to fly it here, and I realized that this does have 2 speeds, so I could have put it in the highest rate and maybe it would have turned tighter. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air because we're starting to lose light. This camera makes it seem lighter than it actually is. It's really getting dark out here. So let me try to get this guy plugged up. I got a little battery in here. I did recharge the battery, so this is a fresh battery. Got this guy here. We're gonna try to lay it level before I go up and down. Whoops, sheesh. I tried to go up and down on the stick and it just tried to take off, so I guess it's already ready. We're gonna go in high rates with this guy. And let's try. So it's up in the air. And I think I just suck at flying, guys. The nose of this plane has a rubber piece on it here, and that rubber piece came off last flight, and I was able to glue it back on. I actually used some gasket glue to get that back on there. So pretty soft landing when it hits nose first. This little rubber thing has some give there. So anyhow, let's get this guy back in the air again. It's pretty windy out here too, so maybe that has something to do with it. It's moving fast though. Check it out. Fighting wind. Try to get it over here. It definitely flies better than the other thing I had. Uh-oh. Kind of losing it in the wind. Fighting it though. Circling. Sheesh. Yeah, it flies great, but I'm afraid out here in all this wind. Sheesh, it's a little too windy to be flying this thing. But I guess I know that this thing flies and it's definitely durable. This thing is coming down hard, but it's just foam. So it is a really nice flyer, this F22. Thanks again to my guy RC Otaku, who sent this guy in. little mini F22 fixed wing. That's all I'm going to attempt with this guy in this wind. I don't want to lose it in any of these trees. The wind is really blowing hard out here, and I think I did okay. Let me know in the comments how you think I did with this thing, fighting the wind and all, keeping it up in the air. I'm going to try it on a more calm day. Thanks for watching.